I'm gonna cover all these 3D plotting methods in MATLAB, so watch this tutorial until the end. If you think you struggle with 2D plotting, check out my other video first. The 3D version of plot is plot 3, and the syntax is like this: plot 3 x, y, z, and you can have some line specifications. In addition to x label and y label, we can define z label for our plot, and to add the text to your plot, you just specify the coordinates x, y, z and add your string. I want to plot this line and add labels to it. I also added text which says sinusoidal cylinder. Now let's plot this line for t equal to 0 until 6 pi. This time, instead of plot 3, I use comet 3. It is beautiful. I can control the box, the grid, and the axis visibility. To create a surface or a contour, the general form of z coordinate is a function of x and y. Having this function, we can simply plot using surf x, y, z or mesh x, y, z. So imagine this is the formula for z coordinates of our surface, and we want to plot within these intervals. First, I discretize the interval. Then I use mesh grid x, y. To see why we need mesh grid, imagine I have this field and I want to find the z values in these points. You can see the coordinates of each point. If I extract the x coordinates and y coordinates separately, I come up with these matrices. These are exactly the output of mesh grid function. We usually name them x and y with capital letters. Back to our example, I want to plot this function, so x, y equal to mesh grid x, y. I calculate z and plot the surface or mesh. There are other types of 3D plot which you may use. surfc and meshc add a contour below the surface. Contour function plots the contour only. I can add a color bar too. You can also change the color map. You can give it a special color in RGB format. So 100 is red, 010 is green. And you can make many different colors with this command. Also, MATLAB has a couple of built-in color maps. I show you some of them. You can check the others. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and bye bye.